Hello, I am here with another amazing video about simple DIY chandelier ideas to craft your own. These 50 easy DIY chandelier ideas are just so pretty. When it comes to home decoration, it is really important to focus on good lighting. You can literally change the whole vibe of the living space by just changing up the lighting. Furthermore, what would be better way to add some good lighting to your house than by using a chandelier? However, the chandeliers available at the market can be very expensive and not exactly how you want them to be. So, you can easily save money by making a DIY chandelier at home. The best part about making chandeliers in the comfort of your own house is that you can add many different customizations to them. How to make a chandelier? This video will cover simple and decorative DIY chandelier ideas, from indoor to outdoor ones, or from minimalistic to bohemian ones, and from confetti to floral ones, from balloon to geometrical ones, from chenille to fringes one. There are many different chandelier ideas for you to choose from, which is just a great thing when it comes to making a decision. All the best chandelier ideas are already available in this video. You can choose the one that matches your aesthetic. It is going to be very fun to go through these easy to make chandelier ideas and choose one that you like. The homemade chandelier ideas are perfect for home decor, event decor, or any big day you want to make special. Just check out these excellent DIY chandelier ideas and projects that will give you step-by-step instructions to make cool DIY chandeliers at home using recycled material from your home. You know, chandeliers infuse an entirely different mood into a space. They provide ambient lighting and enhance a space aesthetic. These also serve as an icebreaker. But while these benefits are certainly enticing, the price tag might be on the high side. Can't afford the chandelier you want? Try building any of these amazing DIY chandeliers to spice up your space. I prefer using pendant lights in a bedroom as it gives you more room to work with on your nightstands. Says by Julie Sosa, a Boston-based content creator who shares brilliant DIY ideas on TikTok. There is nothing worse than not having enough room to put your water, phone, and whatever other knickknacks we tend to place on our nightstand before bed. For this project, Sosa said that the process was super easy. I used plug-in light pendants I found on Amazon. So in the next video we will add more ideas for you. Please keep watching. Thank you.